Hello my lovely subscribers, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show how to do makeup using less products as a budget friendly. This video is meant for those who don't want to spend much on makeup products but still want to bring glow to your face. So without any further ado, let's get started. I already cleansed and donned my face. Now I am going to apply aloe vera gel. It will work as a primer as well as a moisturizer. Primer is very important in makeup because it will help our makeup to look more polished and even. I am using Oriflame Jordani CC cream in light shade. You can use any of your CC cream, BB cream or foundation. Just take a little amount and start applying dot all over your face. And with the help of a beauty blender, I am blending the CC cream evenly by tapping motion. And don't forget to apply on your neck area too. I am taking time to blend because the more time you take to blend, the better polished it will look. And also don't take too much product because it will look more cakey. I am taking the same CC cream and start applying on the area where I have some acne marks, and you can also target the area where you have dark spot, and I'm just gonna leave like that for a couple of minutes to let it absorb into the area nicely. So meanwhile, I am going to apply eyeshadow of my choice as a transition shade. I am using my finger to apply it, and again I am taking a darker shade and apply on the outer corner of my eye. I am using kajal to define my eye. It depends on how you wanna apply it, and I am moisturizing my lips with Vaseline. Now I am blending the CC cream on the area where I have acne marks. Again, take time to blend so that it blends evenly and naturally into our skin. Now I am going to seal my makeup by Johnson Baby Powder, which is budget friendly, and make sure to tap. Next, I am going to contour my face by using the same eye palette in brown darker shade. Start blending in this direction as I am showing and slowly start blending upward, contouring my jawline too, and blend downward. You can skip the contouring part if you feel like it's too much for you, and I am contouring my forehead a little bit. Next, I am using Oriflame the One lipstick in the shade Pink Attitude as a blusher. You can go for any shade like peach or pink. See, I have the highlighter, the contouring shade and blusher in this makeup palette, but again, as a budget friendly, I am just going to use an eyeshadow in lighter shade of silver color as an highlighter, a little bit on my chin and nose too. I am going to fill my brows using darker shade and brown color eyeshadow, filling my brows in my natural shape and brushing my brows with the help of an old mascara. And lastly, I am applying Oriflame White Open Mascara. Even if we don't have all the makeup brushes or products, we can always glow up our face with just few products as a budget friendly. I hope it helps someone in need of such tips. You can style in any way you want. You can tie your hair or you can even lose your hair too. If you like my video, please consider subscribing to my channel, hit the notification bell icon, like, comment and share, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.